So today I'm cleaning my crumb tray. You can see it is really dirty. I even have some things that are not cutting through all the way because there's gunk just stuck in here. So we are going to start by unscrewing all of these and taking a look to see what we can do to clean this. So I got the bottom out and you can see that all of these crumbs are literally stuck to under here. They're all like, I don't know if you can see this angle, raised. And then this is the actual crumb tray. And I was getting so many brown marks on the bottom of my wood, and this would be why it was all burnt on the bottom. So we are going to do what we can to clean that out real quick and put it back together, and hopefully things start cutting better. I'm just using this tool to scrub off the burnt debris, and I can link what tool I'm using in the description below. This thing works amazing.